So the positive momentum that we saw yesterday on Wall Street, driven in part by those headlines around U.S.-China trade, as Becky just mentioned, have filtered through to the Asia session overnight and now to Europe here today. So the main European equity index, the Stoxx 600, is currently trading more than 1.2% higher. Now, this is driven by gains across the regions here in Europe. As you can see beside me, every single one of the regions in Europe are trading up this morning. Every sector is trading higher as well. And interesting to note, it is those trade-sensitive cyclical sectors that are outperforming. Now, I want to hone in on one region in particular, the UK, of course. Beyond what's happening on U.S.-China trade, Brexit is, of course, looming large. The FTSE 100 is currently up about 1.2%. And let's take a look at sterling, because this has been the key way that investors have expressed their view on what comes next for Brexit. And while we are seeing a little bit of a pullback in sterling versus the dollar at the moment, it is still holding firm just below that 1.3 mark versus the dollar. And as you can see, year to date, sterling is up a pretty decent amount versus the dollar. The next date to be watching for Brexit is Monday. Theresa May will be presenting her Plan B, and then on January 29th, ministers will have a chance to debate and vote on that Plan B. So right now, uncertainty remains the defining characteristic of what's going on here, but investors at the moment seem to be holding steady until we hear more.